Imagine standing on Earth, looking up at the night sky. Our planet feels enormous, but it is just a tiny blue dot in an ocean of darkness. The Moon orbits Earth at a distance of 240,000 miles. Light itself takes over 1 second to travel from Earth to the Moon. Mars, our nearest neighbor, sits an average of 140 million miles away. A signal sent from Earth takes up to 20 minutes to reach the red planet. Our entire solar system stretches billions of miles across. It would take a beam of light over 5 hours to travel from the Sun to the edge of our solar neighborhood. But our Sun is just one ordinary star among 200 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Many of these stars have their own planets and moons. Scattered between the stars are vast clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. These cosmic nurseries are where new stars are born in brilliant explosions of color. The Milky Way itself is 100,000 light-years across. Even traveling at the speed of light, it would take 100,000 years to cross it. Our nearest large galaxy neighbor, Andromeda, is 2.5 million light-years away. It is racing toward us and will collide with the Milky Way in 4 billion years. Beyond our galaxy, there are billions more galaxies scattered across the cosmos. They form enormous clusters and superclusters, connected by threads of dark matter. Between these galaxy clusters lie cosmic voids, enormous empty regions of space, stretching hundreds of millions of light-years across, with almost nothing inside them. The observable universe stretches 93 billion light-years across. It contains over 2 trillion galaxies, each with billions of stars. And beyond what we can see, the universe may stretch on forever. What lies beyond the edge of the observable universe remains one of the greatest mysteries in science.